Genesis 25. Legacy, prayer, and God's sovereign plan. Genesis 25, verse 8. Abraham's peaceful death. Abraham breathed his last and died in a good old age, an old man and full of years, and was gathered to his people. A beautiful summary of a life well lived in faith. God fulfilled his promises to Abraham. Genesis 25, verse 11. God's blessing continues. After the death of Abraham, God blessed Isaac his son, and Isaac settled at Beer-lahai-roi. God's covenant continues through the next generation, a reminder that God's promises endure. Genesis 25, verse 21. Isaac's prayer and God's response. And Isaac prayed to the Lord for his wife, because she was barren. And the Lord granted his prayer, and Rebekah his wife conceived. Isaac shows spiritual leadership, and God responds. Prayer opens the way for generational miracles. Genesis 25, verse 23. God's sovereign choice. And the Lord said to her, "Two nations are in your womb, and the older shall serve the younger." A prophecy about Esau and Jacob, showing God's control and plan even before birth. Genesis 25, verse 34. Esau's reckless choice. Then Jacob gave Esau bread and lentil stew. Thus Esau despised his birthright. Esau's casual rejection of spiritual inheritance reminds us to value the things of God.